Hi everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. And once again, I've been out raiding the racks, so let me show you what I got this time. So the first beautiful plant I have here is a Begonia Wings. And if you look at the colours on this begonia, isn't she beautiful? I mean, it is dark green, the leaves are completely velvety, and underneath, if I show you the back, the leaves are all this lovely burgundy red colour that we like on so many other plants. And look at these stems, they're kind of bright green. Oh, it's just a beautiful plant and quite a big specimen. And if you look here, it even has a beautiful little flower on it. That's just wonderful. So, this plant was reduced in price from 159 Swedish krona to, get this, 30 kronas. Now you can go and find out the currency exchange yourself. 30 Swedish kronas is nothing, people, for a beautiful winged begonia. Oh, I'm so happy with that. So that is going to go in the windowsill where it likes to get enough sun. Put it there for now. Beautiful. The next one I found was this beautiful thing. I couldn't help getting it because of the amazing colours on it. Now, this is it says here, Begonia Flamethrower chili pepper. Begonia Flamethrower chili pepper. Okay, if it's that, I hope so, because otherwise the tag's wrong. But I'm just going to show you this beauty. I couldn't help but get this as well. Look at the colours of those leaves. Oh. Beautiful. It's deep burgundy with lime green and normal green. And it is just beautiful. Oh. Yeah, it says Begonia Flamethrower inside. What a beautiful example of a plant with amazing colours. This plant was reduced from 59.95 Swedish krona to 20 Swedish krona. Again, nothing. It was a bargain. I couldn't help myself, could I? So, put that one on the side too. Oh, just so you can see, a little bit of the winged begonia fell off. But you know what? That's okay, because I'm going to try and propagate that in a separate pot. That's going to be okay, I think. Put that down there. The next little plant I got was this. This is a type of Crassula. And it's a little beauty. So I'm going to come up and show you again, close up. Look at that. Isn't it lovely? Oh, it looks like a piece of coral. Look, you see? Very corally. Oh, beautiful. This plant, it was reduced from 49 kronas 95 to 10 Swedish kronas. 10 Swedish kronas? You couldn't get much cheaper than that for a plant of this size that's really, really beautiful. Oh, wow. Love you. Oh, I feel so excited today. So, put that one down there too. Okay. The next one I've got is this beautiful palm tree kind of looking plant that's coming out of one little bulbous thing at the bottom. Look at these. It is called, I mean, the thorns are just beautiful on this, and they're stiff, they're hard. It says here that this is called Cycas revoluta. Okay, so I'll bring it a little bit closer. Look at the leaves on that. Absolutely beautiful. And look at the bulbous thing at the bottom. Isn't that interesting? So it is like a little kind of palm tree kind of plant. So I'm thinking it probably needs to be close to the window to get plenty of light. So I'll do that. But look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Seriously, you won't believe this. This was reduced in price from 199 Swedish krona. 199 Swedish krona for this little plant. That's quite expensive. Reduced to 30 kronas, people. 30 kronas. I went out and I got this plant for 30 kronas. Do you understand now why I go shopping crazy for plants? I go around all over the place to different places all the time. Don't just go to the same. I go around to all different places, and when I see a specific plant or plants on sale that look fantastic, I'm going to grab me one, because they're going to be gone in no time. I'm telling you, if I wait till next time I go out, they'll be gone. So this beautiful plant here, 30 kronas. Oh, that is just ridiculous. Ah, what a beautiful addition to this indoor terrace garden that I'm creating here. Now, another one, and this is the last one for this Raid in the Rack video. I'm telling you, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plants. And of course, you know, sometimes I like to chop up plants. These could be split up. There's 3 in that pot, and there's 1 in there, and that begonia. They can all be propagated. I can divide them between here and the cottage, crystal cottage. Now, this is a beautiful Zantedeschia. Zantedeschia. I don't know how to pronounce the name, someone tell me, but it says here that it's a Zantedeschia, okay, at the bottom. This plant gets flowers. I don't know exactly the colour of the flowers on this one, so it's going to be a surprise when they come out. I know there are a couple of leaves that are falling down here, but hey, that happens in transit. Chop those off. There's plenty of lush green flowers on this plant, so I don't need to worry about that at all. So, and there are many plants in here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh my God, 10 different things. But of course you like these in a bunching. So this was, look at those leaves again. Beautiful leaves, absolutely wonderful. It's like a little forest. I can hide inside it and everything. Anyway, ridiculously reduced in price. This cost before 119 Swedish krona. Okay, yeah. It's been reduced to 20 kronas, people. Look at the size of that plant. That's a beautiful little plant. Reduced to 20 kronas. Can you hear me? Bargains can be found out there. Sometimes I pay full price, that's for sure. And when I can find a bargain like this, I am very happy. So get out there hunting, go around to different places, and when you see a bargain, don't wait, because that bargain will be gone. Get it while it's there. Anyway, that concludes this Raid in the Rack video. Just put all these here so that you can see some of them before we close off. And there we go, that beautiful one there. And this beautiful, oh, doesn't want to stand up, but this beautiful begonia here, velvety. Oh, I love velvety leaf plants. They're just gorgeous. So, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Garden and Crystals video. From me, goodbye.